What if we told you that the electricity lighting up the room where you're sitting comes from processes that started in the age of the dinosaurs? Really? Ancient plants and microscopic animals helped to create natural gas, a clean and inexpensive source of energy. Tens of millions of years ago, various types of creatures were living on Earth. Gigantic animals like dinosaurs, and lots of tiny organisms like plankton and algae. And like every living thing, these creatures died and were buried in the ground together with lots of other organic material, including plants. This organic material, proteins and cellulose, was broken down into a sludge and compressed under layers of earth and sediment. As the years passed, it was covered by additional layers. The weight of these layers and the proximity to the center of the Earth pressurized and heated this material, transforming it into kerogen. Additional heat and pressure break down the kerogen, producing natural gas. And this is how natural gas is created. But something else is also needed in order to create a reserve of natural gas, a layer of rock that traps the gas below it. So, if the gas is so deep in the Earth, how do we find it? We at Noble Energy will try and explain the process. To locate the gas, expert geologists and geophysicists conduct seismic surveys in places where there is potential for discovering natural gas. In the case of Israel, we at Noble Energy are searching for offshore reserves. To do this, we use seismic instruments, similar to those used in prenatal exams, that send sound waves to the bottom of the sea, a type of boom that bounces back as a seismic picture of what is happening underneath the ocean floor. If the seismograph shows a land structure that indicates the possible presence of natural gas, a layer of rock, remember, then the next step is to locate the most suitable spot and prepare to drill there. We bring a drilling rig to the selected spot, a giant vessel with sophisticated equipment and professional personnel. A pipe fitted with a drill bit is sent down from the rig to drill into the seabed, down to the layer where the gas is expected to be found. The drilling indicates whether there is a natural gas reserve in the seabed. If there is a quantity of natural gas that justifies its extraction, we move to the stage of developing the reserve and building infrastructure to transport the natural gas to a shore-based facility for processing. After processing, the natural gas is piped into the State of Israel's distribution system and to our customers, such as the Israel Electric Corporation. Natural gas is a much cleaner source of energy than oil or coal. Natural gas is used to generate electricity as an energy source for industrial plants, and it can also be used to fuel cars. This is the story of natural gas, which was created through a process that began when dinosaurs still walked the Earth and is today a source of energy for all of us to use.